Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best air compressor drain valves is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining the health and longevity of your air compressor. In this video, we will explore the top-rated air compressor drain valves on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your specific needs and ensure your air compressor runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Number 5. Porter Cable C2002-C2005 Air Compressor Valves. These are genuine Porter cable replacement parts, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance for your air compressor. They're designed to meet the highest quality standards. The part number is N286039. This is a crucial component for maintaining your air compressor's efficiency and longevity. This pack contains 2 replacement drain valves. Having spares on hand ensures you're always prepared for maintenance. It's compatible with a wide range of Porter cable air compressor models. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits yours. These valves are designed for easy installation, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience. Get your air compressor back up and running quickly. By using these genuine replacement parts, you ensure your air compressor continues to operate at peak performance. Prevent costly repairs down the line. What we like. It's a genuine replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit for your Porter cable air compressor. If you need a reliable and exact replacement, this is the perfect choice. This 2-pack provides extra value and ensures you always have a spare on hand. What people say. Fit perfect, no leaks, and it a lot better than the original. Very easy to install and comes with sealant on threads. Much higher quality than the stock valve and much easier to use. Perfect fit and fixed my leaky valve problem. Easy, screw out the old one and screw in the new one, no fuss. Number 4. California Air Tools 10,020 Canadian dollars. It operates at only 70 decibels, making it ideal for noise-sensitive areas. Enjoy its powerful airflow of 6.40 CFM at 40 psi and 5.30 CFM at 90 psi without the disturbance. With a 2.0 HP motor running at just 1680 RPM, it delivers strong performance while remaining remarkably quiet and reducing wear and tear. The oil-free pump ensures cleaner air, less maintenance, and a long lifespan of over 3,000 hours. It's built to withstand various conditions. This portable compressor features a durable 10-gallon steel tank and convenient wheels, perfect for easy transport around your workspace, shop, or garage. It boasts an easy start valve for quick startup using fewer amps, even in cold temperatures. The auto drain valve is already installed for your convenience. What we like. This air compressor boasts impressively low noise levels, making it ideal for home use. The automatic drain valve eliminates the need for manual draining. If you value a quiet and convenient operation, this is the one for you. What people say. The air compressor is well designed with a 10-gallon tank situated vertically upon the base wheels and stand. The unit is quiet for use in a small enclosed space and has an impressive pressure recovery time. 2 push connectors work beautifully to attach devices with a quick connector. Setup is simple and the design well thought out. I was impressed with the quick-release connectors, good quality intake filters, easy to reach, use the water drain, substantial wheels and rubber feet to minimize vibration. The California Air Tools 10020C Ultra Quiet Air Compressor truly lives up to its name. It is remarkably quiet and very sturdy. I've been using it for about a month without any issues. I particularly appreciate the easy open plug at the bottom, which makes releasing air and water from the canister a breeze, much easier than my old compressor that required unscrewing. The build quality is impressive, with well-done soldering points and a robust structure. Although it is heavy, the wheels and leg pieces provide excellent stability, so I am not worried about it tipping over. Number 3. HK Extended Tank Drain Kit. This kit is designed for easy and efficient draining of your air compressor tank. It's built to last with high-quality materials and a durable design. The flexible braided steel hose is 10 inches long, providing ample reach for convenient draining. It's built to withstand high pressure and temperature. It features a 1/4-inch NPT drain valve and elbow fitting for a secure and leak-proof connection to your air compressor tank. This ensures a smooth and efficient draining process. The included brass adapter allows for easy connection to various fittings, providing versatility and compatibility. It's made of high-quality brass for durability and corrosion resistance. It's constructed from high-quality stainless steel braided tubes and brass for superior durability and longevity. The threaded joints feature a pre-coated sealant for better airtightness. This kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. The threaded shut-off valve allows for easy addition of an extra drain hose or elbow. The kit includes one air compressor tank drain hose, one threaded sealing tape, and one hex bushing brass adapter. Everything you need for a complete and efficient draining system. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a smooth and efficient drain setup. The braided steel hose is built to last. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install drain solution, this kit is the best choice. What people say. It works great and does not leak. Installation was so simple. This is a well-made drain hose assembly that we use to make draining the tank of our 10-gallon horizontal air compressor tank very easy. The compressor stores air at 125 psi, and this hose assembly holds that pressure without leaking. I like the flexible line that doesn't get in the way of moving the compressor around. Once properly affixed with Teflon tape, this is an inexpensive option to extend the drain to where you can easily access it. Number 2. Tondiamo Air Compressor Valve. It replaces air compressor drain cocks, perfectly suited for compressed air storage tanks. This ensures thorough draining of water and harmful liquids, protecting your equipment. It features standard 1/4-inch female and male NPT threads. This makes it easy to connect to various threaded pipe fittings. Double-check your thread type before purchase. It's incredibly versatile. Use it with air, gas, liquids, or steam in air compressors, tanks, and more. It ensures clean gas and prevents corrosion. Made from high-quality brass, it's built to last. Its corrosion and wear resistance guarantee reliable, long-term performance. The lever handle offers convenient on-off control and full port flow. Its quarter-turn operation and double seal system make it simple and efficient to use. What we like. Made from high-quality brass, it offers superior durability and corrosion resistance. The standard 1/4-inch NPT threads ensure compatibility with most air compressors. If you prioritize durability and ease of use, this is a great option. What people say. Makes the job simple. It feels solid and works well. Most compressors come with a valve that must be unscrewed many turns to drain condensate from the tank. This valve only needs to be turned 1/4 turn to be fully opened and seals firmly to prevent leak down. The clearly marked on-off lettering is helpful to determine the position so you don't start your compressor with it in the open position. Comes with 2 valves so you have a spare, or you can outfit a second compressor if you have more than one. Number 1. SUNROAD Air Compressor Valve. These durable valves are perfect for your air compressor. They're made of high-quality brass for long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. It features a simple 1/4 turn operation for quick and easy opening and closing. No O-ring is needed for a leak-free seal. Made from solid brass, it ensures durability and reliability. This material is highly resistant to corrosion, extending its lifespan. It efficiently discharges air, water, moisture, and oil from your air compressor. Ideal for various air compressor systems. With a 150 psi working pressure and a temperature range from -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, it can handle demanding conditions. It's built to last. The package includes 2 90 degrees turn ball valves and a roll of thread seal tape for a complete and secure installation. What we like. This 2-pack of brass drain valves offers excellent value and long-lasting performance. The easy 90-degree turn makes operation simple and quick. If you need a durable, easy-to-use, and cost-effective solution, this is it. What people say. Easy to install, 1/4 turn, high quality. These valves were easy to install and are far easier to use than the original finger turn valves on my DeWalt air compressor. They drain the tanks much quicker too. These brass drain cockball valves are of good quality, and easier to open than the normal T-style valves. Good value and Teflon tape included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.